In order to do this experiment, we need a soft drawing board, and we'll fix a A4 sheet on that with the help of thumb pins as I have done. Next, we take a glass prism and place it on the A4 sheet at the center, and we will draw its outline, or we will trace the boundary of this prism. I'll complete the corners of this prism with the help of scale. So this is my prism. Let me label the prism as A, B, and C. Now, unlike glass slab, this prism has got two interfaces which are not parallel, rather they are at an angle to one another. So now, onto the first interface, I am going to draw a normal, that is interface AB. Now, in order to draw the normal, I'll take the protractor. Say I'm drawing the normal at this particular point, so I'll place my protractor at this point and I'll mark 90 degree. Now, after marking 90 degree, I'll join the 2 points. So this gives me normal. Now I need to draw the incident ray. Now in order to draw the incident ray, we can take angle preferably between 30 degree and 60 degree. So I'm taking angle as say 40 degree. So I'll place my protractor on the normal and I'll draw, or I'll mark the point at 40 degree. So this is 40 degree. Now I'll join this point with the point of incidence on the first interface. So this gives me incident ray. Since I have taken it at an angle of 45 degrees, so I'll label it as angle I equal to 45 degree. Now I'll take two pins, two all pins, and I'll put them on the incident ray at a distance of about 3 to 4 centimeter. So this is my first pin and I'm putting the second pin on at this particular point. Now I'll place the prism on the boundary that I had made. Now in order to look for the image of the two pins, I look through this interface. That means my eye will be somewhere here. So I'll take two more pins and I look for the image of these two pins which I've put on the incident ray from this interface. So I will be looking at the feet of the two pins and placing two more pins in line with that. So I have put my third pin at this point, which is in line with the first two. The feet are exactly in line, and this is the point where I have placed my fourth pin. Now after placing the pins, I will remove this prism. I'll remove the fourth pin and encircle that point. I'll remove the third pin, encircle that point. Similarly, I'll remove the second pin and encircle, and first pin also and encircle. Right? Now, I'll join these 2 points, which will give me the emergent ray. So when I join the 2 points, I get it as this. This is my emergent ray. So the arrow goes in this direction. At this point on the interface, I will draw the normal. So I'll place the protractor at that point of emergence and I'll put a dot for 90 degree. Now after this, I'll join these 2 points. And this will give me normal for the second interface. Next, I'll join these 2 points. And when I join these 2 points, it will give me the refracted ray. So this I have as a refracted ray. So arrow goes in this direction. So this angle that it is making, emergent ray is making with the normal, is called as angle of emergence. And this angle that refracted ray is making with the normal is called as angle of refraction. Alright. Now this refracted ray is making angle over here also. So that is also angle of refraction. So I'll mark this as angle R1 and this will be angle R2. Now in this case, this emergent ray is not parallel to the incident ray. Rather, it is deviated from its original path. So how much is it deviated from the original path of the incident ray? In order to find out that, we will extend the incident ray. So I'm extending the incident ray. Similarly, I'll extend the emergent ray as well backwards. So when I extend, I get that these two are meeting at a particular point. Now this angle made by the extended emergent ray and the incident ray is called as angle of deviation. So this angle is angle of deviation. Alright. Now, as per the aim of the experiment, we need to show the refraction through a glass prism. Now we have shown. Now further, we are going to verify the result. Now in order to verify the result, we use a formula, that is angle A plus angle D equal to angle I plus angle E. Now this is the formula which we use to verify the result of this experiment. Now my angle I is 45 degree. Now the measurements are, I'll write here, angle I is 45 degree. Now if I measure the angle of emergence by placing it on the normal, I get the angle as, it is 57 degree as the angle. Now I need to measure my angle D. So I'll place it over here and I'll measure the angle D. Now when I place it here, my angle D comes out to be around 39 degrees. So angle D is 39 degrees and angle A we know is 60 degree. Now if I put the values here, it is 60 plus 39 equal to 45 plus 57. Okay, so I get it to be here 99 degree and on this side I get 102 degrees. That means it is showing me a variation of 3 degrees. Alright, so there is a variation of 3 degree in this. So a variation of up to 2 or 3 degrees is acceptable. So this is how we do the experiment.